It is early in the morning, and although the sun has begun to peek its head above the horizon, its rays are beginning to brighten the sky. It is a quiet day, muffled and silent, yet you can hear the distant call of ship horns blaring from the estuary a few miles away. You get up and you open your curtains to find the world blanketed by a thick white mist. It is simultaneously beautiful yet eerie, and it is what we scientists like to call foggy. Although our atmosphere is full of water, around 2 to 3% of it is water, we don't normally see it. But when the conditions are right, it can condense, forming water droplets and ice crystals that are suspended in the air. And these are dense enough to reflect light, forming white clouds. Fog really is not much more than a cloud that's found on the Earth's surface. There are many ways it can form, but two of the main ways are radiation fog, which occurs when the weather is clear and cold, causing the land to cool rapidly. This in turn cools warmer air close to the ground to its dew point, which is the temperature where water vapour can condense, forming a low-level cloud. Or advection fog, which is slightly different and forms when warm, moist air, such as a warm front, passes over a surface that is cooler. This type of fog is common at sea, where the water's surface could be much colder than the air. A defining feature of fog is the loss of visibility, with fog being declared when visibility is reduced to a maximum of 1 kilometre. If you can see further than this, then that ground cloud is just mist. If it's not water that is causing that loss of visibility, then we just call that haze. Now, fog can become really thick, with visibility reduced to 20 metres or less. You might hear thick fog referred to as a pea super. However, this term arose from a different, yet related phenomenon called smog. This happens when natural fog mixes with human-made pollutants like soot and sulfur dioxide, and it gives this toxic mix a greenish-yellow tinge, like pea soup. It became synonymous with London, giving rise to the city's nickname, the Old Smoke. Next time you are stuck in fog, spare a thought for the inhabitants of Grand Banks in Newfoundland, who experience over 200 days of fog a year. It is the foggiest place on the earth. I've been Flood Skinner, this has been Distracted Geography. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.